How to change system language on iPhone in seconds. Here's the quickest way to change the system language on your iPhone, which works on iOS 17 and iOS 18 as well. So first of all you have to do is look for the settings app from your iPhone's home screen and simply tap on it. Once inside settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, scroll down again and look for the language and reason option available there. In there, all you have to do is tap on the language and select your new language from the list. Your iPhone will briefly restart the interface and the entire system, menus, app that supported Siri will appear in the new languages. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.